Welcome to today's market update. I'm Maya Keynes. Joining me is financial expert Eli Sterling. Good morning, Eli.
Good morning, Maya. Great to be here.
Let's jump right in. Markets are riding high on optimism, with the S&P 500 posting its biggest two-day gains since June. Treasury yields have dipped below 4%, and gold is hitting near record highs. What's driving this?
It's a cocktail of factors. First, falling oil prices are calming inflation fears. Second, investors are reacting to better-than-expected corporate earnings. 85% of S&P companies have beaten estimates. And finally, there's renewed hope in US-China trade talks, especially with rare earths and semiconductors on the table.
Speaking of rare earths, let's talk about the US-Australia deal signed by President Trump. How significant is this for markets?
Very much so. The US is 100% reliant on China for gallium, a key semiconductor material. This deal aims to diversify that dependency, with Australia investing in domestic gallium production. It's part of a broader push to de-risk supply chains, a bullish signal for metals and mining stocks.
Now, shifting gears to technicals, let's start with Bitcoin. We're looking at Bitcoin Tether on the daily chart with the buy, hold, sell strategy. What do the indicators tell us?
The buy-hold-sell indicator shows a strong bearish trend. Both V1 and V2 are declining, with V1 consistently below V2. That means selling pressure remains strong. We're also seeing negative on-balance volume and a bearish moving average convergence-divergence histogram, although it's contracting, hinting at weakening momentum.
And for Ethereum? Ethereum Tether is using Fibonacci retracement. Where's price sitting, and what are traders watching?
Price is consolidating between the 23.6% and 38.2% Fibonacci levels, a shallow retracement. That's actually a bullish sign. It suggests the uptrend is still intact. However, the BHS indicator shows a consistent downtrend, so caution is warranted until we see a breakout above resistance.
Let's pivot to a stock making waves, Nvidia. We're analyzing NASDAQ Nvidia on the 4-hour chart with the Trends Your Friend strategy. What's the setup?
Mixed signals. The price is stuck in a narrow range between $181.74 and $185.20. Volume has dried up, which usually means consolidation. Until we see a breakout with volume, it's best to stay on the sidelines.
Turning to crypto again, Solana. Solana Tether on the daily chart with the zero-lag trend signal. What's the trend telling us?
It's a mixed bag. The zero-lag moving average shows a slight bullish crossover recently, but price is still below the exponential moving average, and moving average convergence-divergence remains negative. Volatility is low, which could mean a breakout is brewing, but we need confirmation.
One final technical call. Let's look at Ripple. Ripple Tether on the daily chart using Fibonacci retracement. What's the story here?
Ripple is trading between the 61.8% and 78.6% Fibonacci levels, a deep retracement zone. It's bouncing around support at $2.31. If it breaks above $2.65, we could see a move back toward $3.09. For now, it's a hold pattern.
All right, let's wrap with key takeaways. Eli, what should traders and investors be watching tomorrow?
Keep an eye on Friday's delayed CPI data. It's the next big market mover. Also, watch for any updates on the US-China trade front and whether tech stocks like Nvidia can break out of their consolidation zones. In crypto, Bitcoin needs to reclaim 110K to turn sentiment bullish.
Thanks, Eli. That's it for today's market update. Stay tuned for more breaking financial news. I'm Maya Keynes. See you next time.